Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Naturalhub. And today we're diving into the incredible world of herbal remedies. Specifically, we'll be shedding light on the fantastic benefits of valerian root. So if you're curious about how this natural wonder can positively impact your well-being, you're in the right place. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our health and wellness content. Now, let's get started with the top 5 benefits of valerian root. Stress and anxiety relief. First on our list is stress and anxiety relief. Valerian root has been used for centuries to calm the nerves and promote relaxation. It contains compounds that interact with the GABA receptors in the brain, helping to reduce anxiety and stress levels. Have you ever tried valerian root for stress relief? Let us know in the comments below. Improved sleep. Quality number 2 is improved sleep quality. Many of us struggle with getting a good night's sleep, and that's where valerian root comes to the rescue. Its sedative properties can help you fall asleep faster and enjoy a more restful slumber. Stick around until the end because I'll be sharing a delicious valerian root tea recipe that you can easily make at home. Pain relief. Coming in at number 3 is pain relief. Valerian root has analgesic properties, making it a natural remedy for various types of pain, including headaches and muscle tension. It's a great alternative for those looking to avoid over-the-counter pain medications. Menstrual cramp relief. Now, for all the ladies out there, our 4th benefit is menstrual cramp relief. Valerian root has muscle relaxant properties that can help alleviate the discomfort associated with menstrual cramps. Say goodbye to those achy days. Ladies, if you've experienced relief with valerian root during that time of the month, give this video a thumbs up. Digestive health. Last but not least, our 5th benefit is improved digestive health. Valerian root has been shown to soothe the digestive system, reducing symptoms of indigestion and promoting a healthy gut. Have you ever considered valerian root for digestive support? Let us know in the comments. Well, there you have it, the top 5 benefits of valerian root. Whether you're dealing with stress, sleep issues, pain, menstrual cramps, or digestive discomfort, valerian root could be the natural solution you've been searching for. Valerian root tea recipe. Ingredients: 2 grams dried valerian root, 8 ounces of filtered water, and hot water from the tap. Instructions: fill the teapot or mug. You'll be steeping in with hot tap water to warm the container. Fill your infusion device with the valerian root. Heat 8 ounces of filtered water in your kettle on your stove to boil. Remove from heat. Empty your teapot or mug of the tap water and add the valerian root to this container. Pour water from the kettle over the valerian root and cover. Steep for about 10-15 minutes. The steep may take longer if the roots and stems are tough. Uncover and remove your infusion device from your teapot or mug, and now your valerian root tea is ready to enjoy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And for more health and wellness content, make sure to subscribe and join our growing community.